Hi everyone, this is Usman, and today we are going to use ChatGPT to connect to SQL Server using C Sharp programming language. It's a straightforward task, but to make this more interesting, I just want to demonstrate how we can use ChatGPT and how useful this tool is and how it can help us in our day-to-day programming tasks. So to begin with, I will start with the query on ChatGPT and I will say connect to SQL Server using .NET 8 radio.net. I want the classic way to connect to the SQL Server and read records with SQL Server Windows authentication. So a couple of things, a bit of description, and next we have a code to be used. Great. So I already have made a sample project and this is empty at the moment. I will going to copy that code from there and let me quickly copy this code like this and let me paste just right here. So I already have included system.data.sql client, so reference are settled. All right. So next thing would be what is the name of table in my localhost database, and the database is mytestdb. Let's try to connect with this one, and inside that database we should have a table employees, and within employees I should have one employee which has a name and age, and primary key is employee id. So what we can do is let's take from here, we can name it employees, right? And here in the connection string there should be localhost SQL Express my test DB, and integrated security should be true. And why is that so? Because I'm using Windows authentication, user is not required for that case. Next query, then we are creating a connection and we are creating this in a way that it should be disposed automatically once we utilize that connection, and connection.open. Then we need a command, and command will have a query here we need to pass and the connection on which that command should be executed. Next we are creating data reader and we are executing our reader on the command, and we are checking with the reader that if we still have rows then go and try to read until we are getting false with that read method. So first thing we are getting get in32, and that should be fine. That would be our employee ID, and next would be on the first we should have a name, employee name, and let's try to add another parameter here which is age, and I can name okay, I can declare an int age reader dot get int 32, and that would on index 2, and in the string interpolation way I can append some string, and the age is control s, and let me run the application. Okay, there is some issue with the connection, so we need to double check first of all the database name mytestdb. Let me confirm that mytestdb, that is fine. Employees is fine, localhost and SQL Express. For the server, I can double check. For that one, let me close the connection properties SQL Express this way, and let me try exact string value here. Now let me rerun once again. Yeah, so this time I'm getting ID1, name Usman, and the age is 25. Awesome. So this is how we can utilize ChatGPT to write code for us in a very customized way. We need to talk to ChatGPT to what exactly type of code we need. And even we can customize the code the ChatGPT is producing in the same way that we did. I hope that video is useful. We will be utilizing ChatGPT in coming videos as well. So for more videos like this, stay tuned and see you in the next one.